Imagine yourself working at any time you like and at any pace you want, and also being able to travel all around the world without affecting your work. And this is exactly who a digital nomad is. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 works that you can start doing right now to become a digital nomad. So let's dive into the video. The first on the list is writing business plan, and that's exactly what this person right here is doing. And this is all about writing business plan for startup business. There are people out there that just want to start their own business or looking for someone as intelligent as you are to help them draft a business plan that's going to work for their business and make them successful. And that's where you come in. You help them to write business plan and you get paid. This person right here is charging around $300 for this particular service. And you can start doing that right now and making $300 for every single business plan you write for people. And the second on the list is writing speech for people. Every day by day, people are having programs to attend and don't know what exactly to present in the program. And that is where you come in. You having experience in writing speeches can generate you a lot of money. And that is exactly what this person right here is doing. And this person is charging around $250 for this particular service, and you can start doing that right now too. And the third on the list is editing videos, and that's what we call video editing. If you have knowledge of video editing, this will be a very good thing to start doing for people online and start getting paid for it. This particular person right here is charging around $180 for each video being edited. And these are short videos that people are posting online, but they're not the one editing those videos. They're giving it to someone like you that have experience in video editing to do this editing for them. And the fourth on the list is song composition. If you have experience in composing music, this is a very good place for you to start rendering services online as a music composer. And this person right there, that's exactly what she's doing, and she's charging around $119 for every single music she composed for people. And the fifth on the list is Shopify dropshipping store creation. If you don't have experience in coding and you want to start rendering service as a website designer, you don't have experience in coding and you want to start rendering service as a website designer, this is a very good service to offer, because Shopify doesn't require you to have a coding experience before you can start building dropshipping sites for people. So if this is what you want to do, choose Shopify, because Shopify does not require you to have any coding experience, and you can start creating dropshipping stuff for people and start getting paid for it. This particular person here is charging around $100 for this particular service, and she's getting paid consistently for this particular service. So guys, if there's any of these services that you like to offer to people online, 2 sites I recommended you sign up to. And the first one is Fiverr, the second one is Upwork. These 2 websites are freelancing websites that you can register on and start rendering any of these services to people and start getting paid for it. The link to those websites are in the video description. So guys, if you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.